If you've been searching for a career in Canadian healthcare that is absolutely essential, well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to break down the entire journey to becoming a certified medical device reprocessing technician, or what we call a CMDRT. Let's get right into it.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll get into why this job matters so much for keeping patients safe. Then, we'll map out the key organizations you'll be dealing with. After that, we'll walk through the step-by-step process, dig into the core knowledge you absolutely have to master, and finally, we'll look at all the cool career opportunities that open up once you've got that certification. Okay, first up, the mission. And we're starting here for a reason. This isn't just about getting a job. It's about really understanding your place in the whole healthcare safety net. Just think about it for a second. In any medical procedure, from a simple checkup to a really complicated surgery, there's this constant, unseen threat of infection. So what do you think is that invisible shield, that #1 line of defense that's protecting every single patient? You got it. It's the people working behind the scenes, these highly skilled technicians. Their work, making sure every single reusable medical tool is perfectly cleaned, disinfected, and sterilized. That's everything. They are, quite literally, the guardians of patient safety. So why is getting formally certified such a big deal? Well, the CSA group, the folks who run the program, they see it like this. It's all about creating one high national standard that protects public health. It also gives the whole profession more credibility. And for you, this is a big one, it cuts down on training time, making you a vital part of the team from the minute you walk in the door. Okay, so we get the why. Now let's pull out the map. We're going to look at the key players who will guide you on this whole journey. You've got 3 main players here, and they all work together. Think of it this way. Accreditation Canada, they set the gold standard for quality and safety. Then, the recognized colleges, like Mohawk College for instance, build their courses to teach you exactly that standard. And finally, the CSA group is who tests you to make sure you know your stuff, and then they're the ones who grant you that official CMDRT certification. See? It all fits together. All right, time to get practical. Let's look at the actual blueprint, the step-by-step process you're going to follow to get certified. The good news is, it's a pretty straightforward path. First, you make sure you're eligible. Then you complete your training program, send in your application, and the final step is passing that exam. So let's zoom in on what each of these really means, starting with the requirements. Okay, so there are 2 main things you need to have before you can even start. First, a high school diploma or an equivalent. And second, you have to complete a recognized reprocessing program within the last 2 years. Once you've checked those 2 boxes, you're ready to send your application to the CSA group. Now this is important. The moment your application gets the green light, a clock starts ticking. You've got a 6-month window from that day to get ready for and pass the certification exam. But don't let that stress you out, because you do have a bit of a safety net. And here it is, some really good news. Your application fee actually covers up to 3 shots at passing the exam. That's a huge weight off your shoulders, right? It means you can really focus on learning the material without all the pressure of a one-and-done test day. So you know the process now, but what stuff do you actually have to know to pass? Let's dive into the core knowledge that's going to be the foundation of your entire career. Okay. Here's a perfect example of a huge concept you'll need to master: the one-way workflow. It's a fundamental rule from Accreditation Canada, and it basically means that instruments are always moving in one direction, from the dirty area to the clean area to the sterile area. They never go backward. This just goes to show how something as simple as the layout of a room is critical for stopping cross-contamination. It's a simple idea, but it's incredibly powerful. And that one-way workflow idea, that's just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. To really be a pro, your training will make you an expert in all of these areas. From understanding the tiny microbes you're fighting all the way to the complex science of sterilization. This is the real science behind that invisible shield we were talking about. All right, so you've done the hard work. You've passed the exam, and now you are officially a certified medical device reprocessing technician. So, what happens now? Let's talk about the win. Let's talk about your career. The difference that certification makes in your career is just massive. Without it, things can move pretty slow. But once you have that CMDRT credential, you're not just qualified for a job. You're unlocking a real career path, one that leads to leadership roles, more responsibility, and the kind of professional respect you've worked so hard for. And that's the key thing to remember. Getting certified isn't the finish line, it's really the starting block. It opens up so many different doors. You could go into management and lead a whole department,
Or maybe you specialize in quality assurance. You could even get into education and be the one training the next generation of technicians. The possibilities are really exciting. This quote really nails it. Your CMDRT certification is the absolute foundation, but the people who really succeed are the ones who never stop learning. The more you learn, the more you keep your skills up to date, the more valuable you become, not just to your department, but to the entire healthcare system.
So, after seeing the whole path laid out and what's waiting for you at the end, there's really only one question left to ask. Are you ready to step up and become a true guardian of patient safety? Because your journey can start right now.
For free MDRAO practice tests, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Start practicing today and prepare with confidence.